Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to today's video. My name is Marybeth Angelelli, and I would like to share with you this new system that recently launched. It's fun, it's exciting, it is simple, and it's affordable. And the timing is absolutely impeccable because I know a lot of people, probably much like yourself, they're looking for something simple that they can start to generate some nice extra cash for the holidays. Well, congratulations because you are in the right place today, the right time, and the right place. And I want to invite you to come inside and take a close look at Quick System Pro. Okay? So you can do that really easily by watching two short videos. It'll take you right around 10 minutes. We have an introductory video right here, just a little over 2 minutes long, highlighting all the wonderful benefits of Quick System Pro. And then right here, we drop down to the Getting Started video that discusses the marketing system, the very same marketing system I've been using very successfully since this program launched not too long ago, folks. It's only been out a couple of short weeks. So it is a ground floor opportunity. Timing could not be better, okay? All the way around, folks. All right? So you can find out all about this wonderful marketing system and watch this video right here, 7-minute video, okay? And then want to get started? Get started today, folks. There's never been a better time. Now is the best time to get started. The sooner you get started, the sooner you can position yourself for success and start to earn these wonderful $100 instant payments. This is an instant payment program. It's only $100 to get started, a $10 admin fee, no monthly fees. You can promote this program using free methods and low-cost paid methods. And when you join with me, I'm going to share with you and forward you my little blueprint in a welcome email so you'll know exactly what I do each and every day, all of the methods that I use, okay? YouTube being one of them, which is a great free method to use to spread the great news about System Pro. I also use Facebook, which is another great place and platform to advertise and do both of them for free. I've got some great low cost paid methods that you can use to scale up your Quick System Pro business as well. So what you'll want to do is after you watch those two videos, you want to get started today, folks. Here's the ways that you can get started. Credit and debit card, Cash App, Google Pay, or Venmo, okay? Most people are using this, which I have this hooked up to my Stripe account. And let me just show you what this looks like. You come here. Step one, click here, right here, to pay your $100, okay? You'll just pop in your first name, your last name, email, 16-digit credit card number, expiration date, which is the month and the year, the CVC, which is the last 3 digits on the back of your credit card, and your zip code, and you'll click checkout. Okay, really easy to do. All right, and we're just going to come right back here and click on this. And then after you pay, you'll be directed to the thank you page to start the setup process. So it's really easy. Okay, and you'll be getting a welcome email from me. It's going to have the 2 links in there so you can gain access to your system and pay your one-time $10 admin. So we only have $110, folks. $100 plus $10. That's it. No monthly fees ever. Super affordable for the masses. Here's the wonderful exclusive member benefits that you can read all about. When you join, make your payments, you're going to get access to the 10 master resale rights. So not only can you learn about these wonderful digital products that can help you to build successfully your Quick System Pro and start earning these $100 over and over again, but you're going to gain full resale rights. So you can turn around and resell any or all of these products for anywhere on average from $7 to $27, okay? Over and over again. You'll get your fully hosted website, your reseller license, and the ability to start receiving direct payments either via Bitcoin, Stripe, Google Pay, Cash App, Zelle, or Venmo. Any one or all of these 6 methods. That is totally up to you. Whatever you like, folks, you can set up, pick, and choose according to your liking, all right? Here's just more continued proof that this program works. See these $100 popping in? Okay. Here's 4 simple steps to getting started. It's really easy. Step 1, you're going to send your $100 payment to me right above here. Okay, one of those methods you'll choose. After you pay the 100, you're going to send me an email. Here's my email address right here, mbangiolli@gmail.com. And then I'm going to turn around and I'm going to email you access. Unless, of course, it's right in the middle of the night when I'm sleeping, you'll get your access first thing in the morning, okay? And then you'll use the link I send you in the email to register and pay your one-time $10. Okay, really, really easy, okay? Then you're going to gain access to these 10 products with full master resale rights, okay? 6 out of 10, you're going to be able to utilize these simple step-by-step video training tutorials to access and use and plug right into your training, okay? And then the other 4 products right here, list building on a budget, email marketing success, dominating YouTube and boosting your website traffic using free and paid methods. These are going to be digital downloadable ebook PDF format style that you can review and read and gain access to. So that's your 10 products, folks, that you can plug right into, okay? So that is that, and here is the system that I am using. It's through my capture page. All right, so you go to mycapturepage.com. And Quick System Pro. Once you join, you'll need to, if you're not already a member of My Capture Page, you can sign up for that for only $19.95 and like a one-time $10 setup fee, and participate in the refer 3, get 3, and your system is free. So in any given month, you have 3 active referrals into My Capture Page, which is the marketing system I'm currently using. I would strongly encourage and recommend you use this because it's working really well. Then your monthly fee gets waived. Okay, so that is a great, great deal. Here is the video, the system overview tutorial. Okay, shows you exactly how to get your system set up within a matter of minutes. So I just encourage you to watch this. Plugging into this My Capture Page system. This is the capture page that you're going to be able to get and use, and it's beautiful. It's stunning. I love it. My link is below, okay, easydaily100.biz, easydaily100.biz. It's going to take you right to this page where all you have to do is enter your name and your best email and click on Show Me the Video. And you're going to come right back to this page right here, okay, which is my landing page where you're going to watch this video here. And in this video, you want to get started today. You click this red Get Started Today button. And you just go ahead. If you want to watch the video again, you can certainly do that. It's a great, cool little 2-minute video. It does a great job of explaining, okay, all about Quick System Pro, how you can use it, how you can benefit from it, how you can resell it, and above all, earn money. And I'm sure that's why you're here, folks. Okay, you can start getting paid instantly, even multiple times a day. But remember, nothing happens until you first take action. And all you want to do is just consistently drive traffic right into that capture page, okay? For the absolute best results. However you want to join, just pick whichever method you want to use. You'll make your $100 payment. I will turn around, send you a welcome email. You'll be able to pay your $10 admin, and you'll be able to get all set up. Okay, you'll have access to your back office. You'll watch a little video. It's really simple. It's going to show you how to get set up with just in a matter of minutes. And then you can hit the ground running as soon as today. Okay, you want to get my capture page. If you want to get that, it's totally optional, but I highly, highly recommend it because it's working really well. And it's going to put the system on complete autopilot for you with these 2 explainer videos. So you can have people coming to your website 24/7. The videos will do all the telling, selling, and explaining for you, just like they do for me, folks, and countless other new members of Quick System Pro. Okay? So that is that. Here you're just going to follow these 4 simple steps, and then you'll get access to your products with master resale rights, and you can be up and running today, folks. Okay, this is a really simple system. I just wanted to pop back in here, share this with you. I have many proof videos already out there on my YouTube channel. Check those out. Retire with Marybeth. And with that being said, folks, click on the link below, enter your name and your email. You're going to be redirected right into that sales page where you can watch those 2 videos and then get started today, folks. Okay, $100 plus $10, 110, one time out of pocket gets you in a position where you can have and gain access to your full master resale rights and start earning $100 instant direct payments, okay? Just in time for the holidays. This is a really simple system. Really simple, folks. So watch this video. Let's get you started. Should you have any questions, I'm going to put my cell phone below. Text or call me, and I'll be more than happy to help you out, okay? If you need anything along the way, my contact information will be below. Do not hesitate to reach out to me. And with that being said, I'd love to welcome you in advance to Quick System Pro, to my team. Let's get you plugged in, let's get you earning, and let's get you set up for a wonderful holiday 2022 season. It's going to be a great one, folks. Quick System Pro is going to help a lot of people to earn extra cash, increase their daily cash flow, and enjoy a wonderful season forthcoming. Thank you for joining me today and allowing me to continue to share this with you, folks. It's just really simple. People love simple, they love affordable, and they love instant pay. This is an easy way to make it happen, folks. See you soon on the inside. Take care. Have a wonderful week ahead. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.